Hello, in this video let me show you how to enter the Fastboot mode on XIAOMI 15T, XIAOMI 15T Pro. Let's begin. At the very beginning, let's start by holding the power key and volume up. Let's hold down together those two keys for like 1 second. From the following menu, let's swipe up to power off and wait a few seconds. Alright, when your phone is completely switched off, you need to use the following combination of keys, power key and volume down. Let's hold down together those two keys for about 2 or 3 seconds, and as you can see, the Fastboot mode pops up. So now you've got your phone in Fastboot protocol, so you can connect your device to a computer and flash it or do some other stuff with the Fastboot connection. If you would like to simply quit this mode, let's use the power key and let's keep holding this key until the Fastboot logo disappears. And now the device is restarting and booting into a normal mode, so let's wait a couple of seconds. And that's it. So now you can use your phone. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.